If your photography is really bad or just looks like this, you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to show you common mistakes with LEGO photography and how to improve them. So the first mistake is a pretty simple one, just having fingers in the photo and not having any focus. So just focus. If you tap on your screen where you want the focus to be, it'll focus on the figure and you'll get a nice clear crisp image. Now your photo is properly focused, but you're still shooting from a bird's eye view, and that brings us to mistake number 2. Shooting from lower and more natural angles makes the figure look more lifelike and human. So try and bring the camera down to about where I've got it now, and you'll get photos more like this. Next mistake is no or really boring lighting, so try and spice it up a bit. Try any source of light you have, whether it be an RGB panel like this, or just torch with some tissue paper over the top of it for colour. It makes a huge difference, and you can even change the mood, the overall look, with one simple change, which is the light. Now you've got it focused, well lit, and from a decent angle, what about setting and scene? This is a modified Dark Trooper hallway set that I use for a lot of photos, and it makes for a great diorama. Easily build a scene with leftover bricks, or just use a digital background. I'm using the same light source just through the side of the diorama to keep that mood of the light and the photo intact. So apply all these tips to your photos and I can guarantee they'll be looking a lot better. Leave a comment below telling me the most useful tip to you, and if you enjoyed, feel free to like, comment and subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a lot more tutorials like this in the future. Anyway, thanks for watching, have a good day and happy photo shooting.